Alright, so now we've got a code that when we run it, we give ourselves a random weapon, a random amount of damage, and then whether or not we've managed to kill the enemy. So I'm going to give the enemy a bit more health again, because we're going to use a loop, and we're going to keep attacking until we've actually managed to be successful in killing our enemy. So we have to be logical in where we're going to use this loop. So we only want to use one weapon in our code, but we want to keep getting a new amount of damage, and we want to keep taking that damage away, and we want to keep checking whether or not we've killed it. So all of this code needs to be repeated until the enemy's health is actually right here. And that's why it was really useful to create the health up here, because we can't use, if we have to go a while loop, when we say while our enemy's health is greater than 0, we wouldn't be able to use our enemy's health if we created it down here. So I'm going to use that colon. So just like an if statement, you need to have a colon at the end, and when you press enter, it puts it inside that loop. So we're going to highlight all of our code, and we're going to press the tab button, and that moves it so that all of this code, the getting a new damage, taking away that health, and checking if the enemy is dead, is now inside a loop that's going to keep repeating as long as our enemy actually has some health. So this is going to repeat until the enemy is dead. So we can actually go through and give it a run through. Okay, gives us all at once because we haven't added a delay, but we can see it took only 2 hits to kill this enemy.